Okay, let's move on to Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a photo that you took and are proud of. Past tense, please, you can start.
So I'm generally not fond of photography. However, except for the selfies that we take for Snapchat or our usual statuses. But at one instant, I was quite surprised of myself even. It was when my brother who lives in the UK visited us after a 3 years gap. Only we siblings were aware of it and not my parents. And for that moment, I was given the charge to take pictures and to take videos as well, which I got really confused for that because I knew I was not good at taking photographs. But I was able to take a picture in which I think I outdid myself. And when we settle down and we look at the picture, it actually summarized all the moments that were intended by my brother to see the joy, the happiness, and the teary eyes, of course. So even till date, we reminisce that photograph, and whenever we see that, it brings back all the memories and all that we did on that day, and what happiness my parents saw when my brother surprised them after quite long.
Okay, that's good. 1 minute and 4 seconds. Overall, it's good. Just try to speak a little more. There are minor grammatical errors, but fluency is good. Pronunciation is fine. So keep it up and try to use mainly compound sentences. Now, let's move on. Speaking part 3. Why do some people like to use photographs to document important events?
Well, I believe to document events, it's good to take photographs because you cannot remember each and every event by heart and remember them. But keeping pictures, you keep the events alive in your memory, and you can always go back to them and live them once again.
Okay, are photographs the best way to remember something?
Definitely yes, because if you're looking at some things which you think you won't be able to remember afterwards and you won't be able to recreate them, it is always good to take pictures of that so you can look them.
Good, very
later
good,
on.
fantastic. Keep it up. Okay, be familiar with all the topics. Good job.
Thank you.